Hey guys, Neal Sheppard, Willies Custom Accessories, right here at Akins Ford in Winder, Georgia. Here we have a beautiful 2019 Ford F150 Lariat Sport Model FX4 in my favorite color in the whole wide world, Georgia Bulldog Red. Now this is actually race red's the color, but it's Norfolk County Titan, it's Winder Bearer, it's Georgia Bulldog. There's many different ways that I love this color here. So this is going to be our Covert edition package. It's going to take place first thing Monday morning. Just want to bring you an inside look at what we're doing to it. So we're going to first off, we're going to do a 2 1/4 inch ReadyLIFT level kit. Get it riding nice and true and level. Then we're going to install, in my previous video I told you, the 22 by 9.5 inches wide Fuel Maverick gloss black and milled. This is a plus 25 offset, so it's not going to stick out. You're not going to have a lot of fitment issues with cutting or scrubbing when you're turning the wheel sharp. There'll be no issue with this at all. We're running a 285 55 22 Nitto Grapper G2. This is their all-terrain tire, and it is a phenomenal tire. These, you'll see, you know, it's got a 55,000 mile tread life warranty on it too, 60,000 miles, depending on the load rating that you get. But it's a phenomenal tire, very quiet, but it looks more aggressive. So you can see the height difference between what we're rolling with on the factory set here versus what we're going to. So this is a 34.3 inch tall tire. So we're going up about 2.5 inches as far as overall tire height, and we're going from a 8.5 wide wheel to a 9.5. So we're going wider and taller, going to give a good, nice, sleek look. Let me show you a few other accessories, what we're going to do to this Covert package truck. I want to give you guys a better look at the Fuel Maverick in gloss black and milled design, a good clean 8-lug pattern, and looking at right at 2 1/4 inches of lip there. It's a great looking wheel. Here is again the tire height difference in width. The factory tire we're running is a 275 55 20, and we're going up to a 285 55 22. So overall height's going to increase by a couple inches, as well as the width. Nitto Grapper G2 is a phenomenal tire, has a great warranty also. Lumlar lifetime warranty, window tint, and to cap it off, we're going to take these running boards off and install a set of the Amp Research Power Deployable. So we've got all the build and everything sitting here ready. There's the beautiful wheels and Amp Research power boards ready to rock and roll and get this built. We'll bring you an updated video later of finished product.